Hey. Yeah, we hear you. This is Tasha. Here's Greenie getting some tail over there. Oh, there's the white one trying to get some tail. They're vying for tail. Right? Here's the cats hang out, but they actually sleep in the big barn over there. That's where they get fed. There's the silos and stuff. And here's the small barn. It's kind of big though. Right? So I'm worried that this little guy, he's been attacking people lately. Apparently he beat the crap out of my mom the other day. He came after me yesterday, so I had to kick him in the head a few times, but didn't knock him out. Alright, now you guys. Get up, scoot it. Hey, move it, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Come on, get. Alright, sorry, I'm all nauseous. So here's the chicken coop. This is the roost that they sleep on, those three things there. Here's my door opener. This thing goes up and down with an electric timer. Here are their nesting boxes where they lay their eggs. So you got 7 today. Yeah, got to pick those out. There's another one over here. 2, 5, 6, 7. Yep. So this is the coop. Hey, get out. Come on. Hey. Poor guy. When it comes to food, these guys get ruthless.